Do you know, according to my observation, I noticed Chinese are the most cleverest people in this world. Do you know why? They are the only people who open a bank in hell. Americans also could not do that. That's true. Not only that, they produce currency note, valid in hell. What happened? When they burn this currency note, one who is in hell receives just like a fax message. See how clever they are? Because every day they are burning, especially this period, your good friends coming. This period, they burn and burn and burn, and the whole country, the smoke. So now they have introduced credit card system. Put the credit card into the coffin, finish, nothing to burn. Another thing that I noticed, Chinese ghosts are very obedient ghosts. Because there is a proper time for them to come out, there is a proper period for them to stay, proper time for them to go back. But all the other devils come and disturb us every day. See how good they are. You give only one chicken leg, they satisfy, go back and sleep for 1 year. Very good.